Of course.
I drink drunk. Take 3 of them, Allison. Okay. But then it's done. Okay, well then.
Hey, we're playing King Stuff. It's really fun. Peace.
Allison's not winning. Wait, let's put it up here. And she has the hiccup. Sir, can I have too many drunken Can you move your arms so I can move? Allison's gonna puke. No, I'm not. Because puking is not good.
Wait, inside voices. How
many cards do you have?
2.
I have 3. I have 2.
Go.
If I puke though, that's less
She only
calories.
has 2. That doesn't make any sense.
Then you go.
Oh. 9. Supposed to rhyme. Oh, look at that cow.
Wow. Party foul.
Go. 4. That means horse.
Horse. Let me. Oh, it's already open. Who opened it for me?
Fucking dog, I swear.
Doug opened it for you.
Okay, go.
You really are you?
Maybe. Go. I just went horse. Drink.
I felt we did. I already did.
Hi, inside voice.
Okay, someone spilled a beer right here.
It's probably you because you're sitting there.
It's wet.
So, I'll go with you.
Sweated. Hey, Chicks.
Keep your eye on the board. Where they go.
It could be Chicks or Dicks because we have them both.
But I don't have a dick.
I don't. Hermodite.
I hate being the thumb master.
Hermodite. What's that called? I already had mine like 5 minutes ago. Hermite?
Man? Hermaphrodite.
Hermaphrodite, there we go.
You have a dick and a vagina?
Where you have both.
Like the man who got preggers. She needs to be on TV. Like,
this is gonna be a long video.
Let me see if we're even in it.
Probably not.
I'm always in it.
You're lying.
I'm a camera whore.
Why don't you just?
I'm a creeper. I'm a creeper and a camera whore. Send me
You're
not in it, Bev.
I'm not trying to be in it. Doesn't it catch sound or no?
Yeah, it does. I'm trying, bitch.
It catches sound.
Oh my god, don't fall. I'll continue.
My dick look like super size. Your dick look like 2 fries.